Hi, I'm Trish with WTI. Do you live in an area where you struggle with humidity? Well, we do. So we were looking for an out-of-the-box solution to deal with the mustiness that was building up in our closet. You can see that our bathroom has a closet right inside of it. So what we used was this boat dehumidifier from Better Boat. It comes with activated charcoal and it really does a very good job. I love that it's unscented. That's pretty important to me because I'm sensitive to a lot of smells. But you can see in the last few months, it actually has collected quite a bit of water. And what it looks like when we first get it is you get this particular product. You can see it has these crystals inside of it. And as the crystals start to absorb the water, they'll bind together and then eventually they dissolve. So all you have to do is take off the top and then you put it wherever you need to collect that humidity, and it absolutely works, as you can see from the amount of water that we collected right here in our bathroom. So we would highly recommend this as a product to protect things against musty smells and things like that, so that you don't have to worry about that high humidity. If it worked this well in my bathroom, I'm sure it will help your boat. But that's just my point of view.